Welcome everyone in IMTEX 2026. We Purushottam welcome you, and we are showing here various traceability and marking solutions. Let me go through you our various products. This is our portable marking machines, and these machines are from SIC Marking France, which is Europe's #1 marking machine manufacturer. These machines are completely electromagnetic. No air supplies is required. And these machines are very compact, heavy duty, with having a aluminum casting body with a robotic cable, which is having a very high twisting capacity. These machines are used in various applications like VIN number marking, engine number marking, flanges, and many heavy engineering components also. This model is basically E10 P123 model, which is having a marking window of 120 by 25 mm. And this machine mostly used in our VIN marking applications. These machines can mark up to 0.5 mm depth. Let me show you another model which we have launched this year. This is our touch screen eTouch Evo model. This is a very lightweight and compact machine. All the controller, everything is available on the marking head itself. You can use this touch screen to program these machines, and this machine weighs only 1.9 kg. Also, you can connect a barcode scanner with this, and you can transfer the data also by using a USB-C type. Let me show you our column mounted range. This machine is our E10 C153 model. Very heavy duty, can mark up to 3000 parts per day. These machines, column mounted machines, are basically used to mark on a small parts like nameplates, small engine parts, connecting rods, camshaft, and all different kind of small components. You can mark DMC code, logos. These machines, this particular model having a controller, separate controller, and a separate marking head. If we move to our new basic model, that is a EC1, the controller is mounted on the top of the marking head only. This machine we are showing with our rotary D-axis chuck for marking on a circular or rounded parts. All machines are completely electromagnetic, so there is no maintenance or any issues related to pneumatic supplies. Also, you can precisely control the depth of the marking, and these machines are well suited for the DMC code, data matrix codes. Now I'll show you our another battery operated model, E-Mark. This model is also used to mark on a heavy components. Let me show you how this machine marks. So we just need to put on the component and press the trigger, and it start marking. This battery operated machines comes with a different front fascias with magnets and also marking on a difficult surfaces. Now let me show you our laser marking machines. This machine is completely imported from SIC Marking France, and this machine is used for marking on a various engine components to make QR codes, data matrix code. This is our integrated marking machines. These machines comes in a different marking windows. I'm showing you right now our compact integrated model, that is I53, having a marking window of 50 by 25 mm. This machine can be mounted anywhere in your SPM or in a production line or a conveyor system in any direction.